Hi, my name is Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of one or more nouns. Remember, a noun is either a person, place, or a thing. A pronoun is going to take the place of either a person, a place, or a thing in a sentence. The singular pronouns, which means only one, are I, me, you, he, she, him, her, and it. So we would use those pronouns whenever we were referring to something in the singular or just one person, place, or thing. A plural pronoun is something that's more than one. So those pronouns would be we, you, they, us, and them. Yes, we did say you, both as singular and as plural, because you can be used when you're referring just to yourself, but it can also be used when you're referring to other people. If there's 2 or 3 people in a group and you say you guys, you'd be referring to plural. So you is singular and plural. Let's do a little practice. You can look at these sentences below, and the sentence words that I have underlined will put a pronoun in place of the proper noun or noun. All right, sentence 1. John went to the store. Well, since John is a guy or a man, we would replace the word John with he. Okay? In the next sentence, Sarah and Mark went to the store. Since we have 2 people, we know that it's plural. So let's think about how could we say Sarah and Mark in a different way? Would we say we? Would we say you, they, us, or them? Let's sound it out. Sarah and Mark. Would we say we went to the store? Probably not. But what we could say is they went to the store. So Sarah and Mark can become they. The teacher asked the students to finish their homework. The students. We know it's plural because it has an S on it, so it's more than one. So what would we call all the students? Would we call them a we, a you, a they, a us, or a them? I think we'd call them a them. And finally, the book is on the table. The book, so we know it's only one, so we have to come and look at our singular pronouns. Since a book is not a person, we can't call it a he or a her or a she or him, but we can call it an it. So we can say the book can become it is on the table. All right, that is our lesson today in pronouns. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and sharing. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.